Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install TightVNC. TightVNC is a free remote desktop software that allows you to access and control a computer from another device. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install TightVNC on your computer. Step 1. Downloading TightVNC. The first step is to download TightVNC from the official website. To do this, open your web browser and go to www.tightVNC.com. Once you're on the website, click on the Download button on the top navigation bar. On the next page, you'll see a list of download links for different versions of TightVNC. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system and click on the link to start the download. Step 2. Installing TightVNC. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder and double-click on it to start the installation process. A new window will appear, asking you to choose your preferred language. Select your language and click on OK. Next, you'll be presented with the TightVNC Setup Wizard. Follow the instructions on the wizard to install TightVNC on your computer. Step 3. Configuring TightVNC. After the installation is complete, launch TightVNC on your computer. You'll be presented with the TightVNC Viewer window, which allows you to connect to a remote computer. To configure TightVNC, click on the Options button in the Viewer window. Here, you can change settings such as connection type, display quality, and encryption level. Step 4. Connecting to a remote computer. To connect to a remote computer using TightVNC, you'll need to know the remote computer's IP address or hostname. Once you have this information, enter it in the Remote Host field in the TightVNC Viewer window. You can also enter a password if the remote computer requires one. Once you've entered the necessary information, click on the Connect button to establish a connection to the remote computer. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured TightVNC on your computer. Now you can easily access and control a remote computer using TightVNC. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.